One new vehicle that will get a lot of attention here at the Chicago Auto Show is this Chevy Corvette ZO6. If those wheels and tires seem different up front and back, they are. It's 20 inches up front, 21 inches in the rear. That rear spoiler, of course, is a trademark almost now. It's very recognizable. This ZO6 comes with an 8-cylinder engine. It cranks out 670 horsepower at 8,400 RPM and 460 pound-feet of torque at 6,300 RPM. Well, believe it or not, there's actually a ZO7 package available that's about 41 pounds lighter than the ZO6. The ZO6 is both right and left-hand drive models available, built at the Bowling Green Assembly Plant. Pricing soon to be announced.